Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 3-balloon killer whale. Some supplies you're going to need are your handy dandy balloon pump, 3 260 size balloon twisting balloons. I'm choosing 2 black and 1 white, but you can use whatever colors you want. Links to these items can be found in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps my channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can always subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, balloon decorating, and other fun content. Once you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. To start off, we are going to inflate a white balloon and a black balloon to about 1 or 2 finger lengths tail. Next, we're going to tie the nozzles of these balloons together and also the tails of these balloons together. It's pretty likely that one of your balloons is going to be slightly longer than the other, so you can squeeze the shorter balloon to disperse the air to make it a little bit longer and match up as closely as possible with the longer balloon. Once we have both ends of each balloon tied to each other, we are going to find the middle point and make a twist by twisting each side in opposite directions. Next, fold your balloon in half and make sure it's oriented so that the 2 white balloons are together and the 2 black balloons are together. On the opposite side of the balloon from the twist that you just made, we are going to make a twist about 8 inches from the end. This is going to be the orca's tail. If you twist this all the way around about 2 times, it should stay. Also, if you liked this creative underwater balloon twisting tutorial, share this with a friend to see if they can figure out how I am balloon twisting underwater. Think about it. Have you ever tried to put something filled with air underwater? What happens to it? It floats right back up to the surface. I challenge you to send this video to 3 friends, and I bet that all 3 of them have 1, never seen a balloon twisting tutorial underwater, and 2, that they do not know how this is possible. Let me know your hypothesis in the comments below. Next, we're going to grab our 3rd balloon, inflate it to about 3 finger lengths tail, and we'll start by making a twist to make a 6 or 7 inch bubble. Next, we're going to make a section about 1.5 times that length, so I'd say about 9 or 10 inches, and we're going to fold our first bubble down and make a joint using the nozzle so that you have a 6-inch section and a longer 9 to 10 inch section connected together. When you've twisted it around a few times, pull the nozzle through the loop that you just made to lock it in place. What we just made is the dorsal fin. If your sections come undone like mine just did when we're making that joint, not a big deal. Just recreate that twist so you should be able to see a marking in the balloon of where that twist once was. Grab each side and twist in opposite directions to remake that twist. Next, we are going to grab the tail of the balloon and twist it around the joint we just made. Wrap it around the joint and pull it through the dorsal fin a couple times to lock it in place. Now we have a large loop, and we want to make this large loop into 2 smaller loops because these are going to be the side fins. Find the middle point of this loop and push it towards the joint that we just made and twist your 2 smaller loops in opposite directions. Now, to connect these 2 pieces that we have made, we are going to slide the 2 small side fins through the top of the body of our orca through the 2 black balloons. Orient them so that the dorsal fin is coming out the top of the 2 black balloons, and the 2 side fins are coming out the sides in between a black balloon and a white balloon on each side. To hold our fins in place, we are going to make a twist on the body that's about 6 inches from our back tail joint. You can twist this around 1 or 2 times and it should stay. You can also experiment with the proportions of your top dorsal fin. It will be inversely related to the size of the fin, so if you have a taller dorsal fin, you're going to have smaller side fins. If you have a smaller dorsal fin, you're going to have larger side fins. And this is your 3-balloon orca whale. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe for more balloon twisting, balloon decorating, personal finance, business tips, personal development, and all sorts of other fun content. Let me know if there's any other balloon animals that you don't see on my channel that you'd like me to try in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.